Charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang, chang charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. This is my tree house. It's where I learn and play. I can touch the sky so high and even fly away. Chang charak chang chang.
बड़ों की कल्पना जहाँ थम जाती है, बच्चों की कल्पना वहीं से उड़ान भरती है। इसीलिए हमारे आसान और मजेदार लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स बच्चों को देते हैं जरूरी नॉलेज और भरपूर कॉन्फिडेंस। द ट्री हाउस, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान।
A very good evening to one and all present here. Before we start off, shall we hear another round of applause, a little louder for our children? Thank you. So parents, welcome you all on behalf of Tree House to the annual concert once again of 2014 of Borivali TPS, Wazira Naka Centers, the Hisar Kandarpada Link Road and Vaibhav Centers. It's only a pleasure to keep seeing you year after year coming over here, encouraging our children. And as I repeat myself, this year you will see a mix of speech, drama, action, dance and songs. So I'm sure you will like the concept and the idea. Children have worked very hard, our team, all have put in a lot of efforts. And of course, without your efforts behind the children, it is never possible. So I'm sure together with your cooperation and your cheer, which has to be continuous throughout, we shall have a great time out here today. Yes, parents. Before we begin, I take this opportunity to welcome our distinguished guest for the day. She is our head of Tree House Preschool's Mumbai division, Mrs. Shona Jaiswal. Please welcome her on stage with a huge round of applause. To felicitate her with a small bouquet, we have little Vyom amongst us. Round of applause for little Vyom as well as he presents the bouquet to ma'am. Thank you, children. I would now request Mrs. Jaiswal to share a few words with you.
Good evening. A very warm welcome to all. So beautifully taught by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words then lead to action. These actions form your habits, and these very habits are your values. And what do you think happens next? Your values are what shape your destiny. Yes, dear parents, values or sanskaras are what we strive to inculcate in all our children. So how do we do this? We do this as a part of a curriculum in ways that imbibe good habits, like planting a tree through the concept of germination, reaching out to an older person through the concept of Grandparents' Day, gratitude through the concept of community helpers. It is overwhelming that a decade has passed by teaching these values to thousands of students. What a journey it has been. Each year being unique with its own triumphs and challenges. As a part of this value system, we have launched the biggest preschool under the brand name of Global Champs at Dharavi. This concept will not only create a better society, but also would ensure that children get quality and affordable education. Next year, our new session begins from 10th April. So we encourage you to come in large numbers in our classroom. Do book early to avoid disappointment. So parents, now let us sit back, relax, and welcome our children, and we are sure that the celebration will make you smile and will leave you with memories which you will cherish forever. अंत में मैं ट्री हाउस का आदर्श वाक्य या मोटो दोहराना चाहूंगी, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान। देवियों और सज्जनों, नन्हे कदमों की उड़ान मात्र भौतिक ही नहीं बल्कि सांस्कृतिक और आध्यात्मिक भी है, जिसकी नींव भारतीय मूलों की सनातन और स्वर्णिम परंपरा है। थैंक यू, एंजॉय द शो।
That we would like to inculcate in our children so that they become able and competent citizens that our country would be proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all begin with a small prayer by a Dahisar Link Road branch. Lovely, cute performance. We start off with a prayer and let's move on.
Hello everyone. Welcome to annual concert 2013-14. संस्कार धरोहर हमारे घर की और हमारे स्कूल की। संस्कार never heard of this word. What is this?
we knowing its meaning. Let us ask our teacher then. Teacher, where are you?
All right, parents, so here comes the teacher. Let us welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Yes, children, I am here. Madam, we want to know the meaning of sanskars. Madam, can we get these sanskars from somewhere? No, this much I'm sure that you cannot get it anywhere. Are you sure? Yes, promise. My mother told me one day. Let me explain to you properly about sanskars. When the elders teach us good manners and we do good things, we say they are passed on good sanskars to us. Like Gandhiji was taught us to work hard, honest and fearless for our country. That means he passed on good sanskar to us. Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, Patit Pavan Sitaram.
हाँ, घर से निकले हैं सुबह, तन मन धन सब है रघुपति राघव राजा
What a performance by our nursery children out here of Borivali TPS Center. So let's move on.
Wonder, are there bad sanskar also in this world? Come, let me show you.
Alright, so let's see if there are bad sanskars. Let's wait and watch what happens next.
Oh my God, what kind of children are they? Noisy and loudy. Huff, no manners at all. Now I understood. Yes, manners shown by children who are natural in the environment of sanskars. Now look at them, look there.
Alright, so now look there. Let's see what happens next. Do we have someone who can solve their problems?
Yes, now see they are helping.
Oh, we have little angels.
Wow, they are helping others.
So parent, that calls for a huge round of applause for this little skit of bad sanskars and good sanskars by our nursery children of Wazira Naka. Helping people is what they are learning all the time.
How nice, how helpful, how good the children are. All because of their good sanskars. Who are the children who get good sanskars? Small baby should have the environment where they are happy. Oh, I'm a gummy.
Alright, so children are happy in a very colorful and wonderful environment. So let's welcome our little gummy bears. So here they come, the gummy bears.
Parents, kindly please take your seat.
Babies will distract because of that. Kindly take your seats. So now welcome little gummy bears on stage with the gummy bear song.
So let's cheer them with a huge round of applause and welcome them on stage.
So here they come, the children of Borivali branch, TPS.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बंधन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
Once more.
Mamas with our daughters. School again. First day at school.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बंधन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम मजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं, कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं, दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। रुके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। हो, 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 हो,
This song is written by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
रुके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम।
Wonderful, wonderful indeed. Thank you, mamas.
My child, what happened? Why are you in a gloomy mood? My head is full. Head is full, you always have something funny to say. Why funny? My mind is full of questions and seeks answers. Okay, let me take you to Nukkad Wale Nana Ji.
All right, so let's go to see Nukkad Wale Nana Ji.
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन। दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन। अरे नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी मुझे रोज मुड़ाए रे, फिर भी उनको गाए वो निस दिन। गैया घास चबाए तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे, दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से गिन। सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन। दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन। तितली के पंखों पे ये किसने रंग चढ़ाए रे, पकड़ो तितली साड़े बाड़े थी। पकड़ी रानी को किसने कुड़िए को सिखलाए रे, बुनती है वो जाने इतने महीन। दही को घोटो निकले माखन, यम 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 यम। पंछी बन हम उड़े तो गिर जाए, दम 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 दम। दही को घोटो निकले माखन, यम 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 यम। पंछी बन हम उड़े तो गिर जाए, दम 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 दम। जंगल में नाचे मोर, बिन घुंघरू के यूं घनघोर, बादल बिजली ताल पे देखो घन घन घन। सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन। दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन। डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल, धम 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 धम। मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा, आंखें नम नम नम। डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल, धम 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 धम। मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा, आंखें नम नम नम। माखन चोर, नंद किशोर, गोकुल गानन, हाजिर चोर, लीला ये तेरी है जाने हम हम हम। सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन। दिन ये कहाँ से आए, दिन ये कहाँ को जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन। नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी रोज बुलाए रे, फिर भी अब आए वो डिसिप्लिन। गैया घास चबाए तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे, दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से गिन। सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन। They are getting ready to join Indian Army. Indian Army, you mean the soldiers who protect the country? Yes, beta. Nana ji, who give them good sanskars, who care for their country? मैं बोलूं? Now I know it. बोलो बेटा. Their sanskars come from their homes as well as school. Good, very good. ये लोग खुद भी खुश रहते हैं और देश को भी खुश रखते हैं.
All right, lovely. So let's enjoy more, parents. Come on, let's get up for this performance.
ओए हवन कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हवन कुंड
इंसान बनो and then you can join Indian Army.
Yes. We need to grow as a good humans.
Good humans.
And for that, we need
our religious book like Gita,
the
story
story.
of Lord Krishna.
We also
We
have
also had Guru Granth Sahib from Sikh religion.
people recite stories
People recite stories
in music.
And you know what? My daddy said, money है fear.
और
भगवान बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं.
हाँ, भगवान बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. इसी तरह
बाइबल और कुरान की कहानियों से हमें अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं.
yes.
So
Now
by-
see.
So बाइबल और कुरान से भी हमें अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं. आइए देखें.
Wow, what a start! Audience, keep clapping!
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता. तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान. तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा. खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे. हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे. तो खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में. हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह. तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा. Na 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 na, da da ni da
lovely performance.
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता। तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा। खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की
Come on,
लकीर
parents, let's
को
keep clapping for all our little
मोड़ता
angels.
मरोड़ता है हाँ।
Don't forget they are here
चला रे
independently
तो खुद
dancing on
तेरे
stage.
ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे।
Parents, they need
कि
your
चलता हूँ
cheer.
मैं तेरे संग में, हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा। Na 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 sa, da da ni da
Panchtantra tales? No. Your mother never tells you these stories? अपनी मम्मी को बोलो तुम्हें रोज ये कहानियाँ सुनाए. And you must also read these stories yourself. अच्छा, लायन और रैबिट की स्टोरी सुनी है? Yes, सुनी है. क्रो एंड स्नेक की कहानी सुनी है. कौवे और सांप की कहानी सुनी है. बुद्धू, वही तो पंचतंत्र टेल्स हैं. आओ मैं तुम्हें बताऊं पंचतंत्र टेल्स क्यों लिखी गई. एक राजा था.
All right, so here comes the Raja.
और एक रानी. उनके 3 बेटे थे. राजकुमार. जानते हो वो कुछ काम नहीं करते थे. कुछ पढ़ते भी नहीं थे. वो ट्री हाउस में नहीं पढ़ते थे. नहीं, तब ट्री हाउस कहाँ था? फिर क्या हुआ? एक साधु महाराज ने उनके लिए पंचतंत्र टेल्स बनाई और उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज दी. फिर वो अच्छे बच्चे बन गए.
All right, indeed, वो लोग अच्छे बच्चे बन गए. So let's have more of Panchtantra tales now.
झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में. मन में जो सोच ले हम. झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम. चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में. मन में जो सोच ले हम. आया है दूर तक देश अपना, जाएंगे दूर तक हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है.
Yes, parents, keep clapping for all of them. Lot of messages. Our children spreading everywhere.
Indians and dogs not allowed. ये किसने लिखा दीदी?
कल जिन्होंने ये लिखा वो आज ये जानते हैं. सूरज अपनी मुट्ठी में है, कुल बुला रहा. नया सवेरा रिस रिस के बाहर है आ रहा. तलवों से कहती है मंजिल मुझे उठा लो. वक्त तुम्हारा है, किस्मत को गले लगा लो. अभी तो सबको धुन पर अपनी देखो नचाएंगे हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे, यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है.
Welcome now the little one.
दीदी, सब कहते हैं हम आगे जा रहे हैं, मगर क्या हम सब आगे जा रहे हैं या सिर्फ कुछ लोग?
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा आपने. गर तुम ही मुस्काओ तो मुस्कान नहीं है.
So a lot of more messages by our children of Wazira Naka.
बस मेरे आंगन आए ऐसी धूप न चाहिए बस मेरी
We appreciate the effort taken by our parents in making the props for our little children. They are looking cute indeed. Spreading good messages for everyone.
In our tree house, we have those very interesting cheeky stories. Cheeky stories? Oh, I love cheeky stories. My teacher tells me they are character building stories. Character building? What is that? Character building is to behave in a manner that your parents feel proud of you. Your teachers feel proud of you. Your country feels proud of you. Now I understand it means to become a good child. Yes. Cheeky stories are there for all of us to become good children.
Alright, so here comes Cheeky.
So welcome little
Let's
Cheeky.
welcome the Kandapara branch for this Cheeky special story. Come on parents, huge round of applause for all of them.
Pretty Cheeky, walking down the school, pretty Cheeky. She's real cool, pretty Cheeky. She's a darling, she's charming too. We all believe you, you speak the truth. Pretty Cheeky, she walks with a smile, pretty Cheeky. She's so full of life, pretty Cheeky. She makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky. Cheeky, we're late for the picnic.
Cheeky, where are you? Cheeky, we are getting late for the picnic.
Children, Cheeky cannot come for the picnic as she was watching TV late night, and that's why she could not get up early in the morning. You all go and enjoy yourself. Have a good day.
Oh, she will miss the picnic. Oh no, so
Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye.
I'm so sorry. Now onwards, I will sleep on time and wake up on time.
Now that's my girl.
Alright, so Cheeky has learned her first lesson. She'll wake up on time and ensure that doesn't miss the picnic.
Pretty Cheeky.
Come on, parents,
She's
keep
all
clapping.
grown up now, pretty Cheeky.
So all the
She's
children are
been
having a great
famous
time.
Now, pretty Cheeky. She's a big star, oh little girl. But don't forget, dear, we'll be always there. Pretty Cheeky, she walks with a smile, pretty Cheeky. She's so full of life, pretty Cheeky. She makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky.
Once more, once more, once more, once more, once more. We want to have more of Cheeky. Okay, okay. Let's have some more Cheeky then.
Cheeky dear, I'm going out, so please take care of your grandma.
Cheeky, can you get me a glass of water?
Oh no! Mama! Mama? Cheeky! I told you to take care of your grandma. But you did not. Look what you have done. That's bad.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, don't be sad. I will always listen to you.
Now that's my good girl, my sweetheart.
Alright, so Cheeky has learned her second lesson. Parents, you need to applaud. What a drama by all of them.
Sometimes the feeling is
Come
right.
on, let's put our hands together.
For the first time.
We need to hear the cheer going.
Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just
Lovely.
like the moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. Now that we believe you, you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're such full of fun. You keep your promise too. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. Sometimes the feeling is right. We all learn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. Now that we believe you, you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're such full of fun. You keep your promise too. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-A, I-P-I-U, ah. You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star.
it's time to celebrate, audience. Are you ready? With a louder.
Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now, let us sing along like oh oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now, all my people shout like oh oh oh.
Parents, please take your seats. Please sit down wherever you are while clicking photographs. Let's keep enjoying. We are moving on to the grand finale very soon.
Dance the night away and lose control 'cause it's
Please remain seated.
let's party like you never did before. Oh oh. Come, 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 come. It's gonna be fun, fun. Everybody.
Come on, lovely.
Hands up in the air. Jump, 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 jump. All my people stomp, stomp. People party everywhere. Everybody dance now. Come and clap your hands now. Let us sing along like oh oh oh. Everybody jump now. DJ pump it up now. All my people shout like oh oh oh. The DJ makes you feel the beat. You just can't stop to move your feet. We can get the party started, so let's go.
Parents, kindly take your seat. Please don't block others' view.
Come, come,
You
it's
are
gonna be
standing
fun,
in the
fun.
front row.
Everybody, throw your
We
hands up
need
in the
your
air.
cooperation,
Jump,
parents,
jump,
please.
jump. All my people stomp, stomp. People party everywhere. Everybody dance now. Come and clap your hands now. Let us sing along like oh oh oh. Everybody jump now. DJ pump it up now. All my people shout like oh oh oh.
Our humble request, kindly take your place. Please don't block the view.
Everybody dance now, come and clap your hands now, let us sing along like oh oh oh. Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now, all my people shout like oh oh oh. Everybody shout like Come on everybody. Everybody dance now.
Wow, lovely. Round of applause for all these toddlers. With this, we move on.
Teacher, when we all grow up, we will become great leaders.
Parents,
I
please
will
take
become
your
a
seat.
big
Please
leader.
support us. You will not get your children from here.
I will become. Can you guess? No? Okay, I will tell you. I will become a choreographer. What will you become? Why not? I will open a chain of schools and impart good sanskars to thousands and thousands of children. My good children, I'm so proud of you all. We have no doubts that the sanskars which we have passed on to you will surely make you good human beings and great leaders in future. I congratulate your parents and your school.
अभी अभी हुआ
Come
यकीन
on, children. Let's have all of you on stage now for the grand finale.
Yeah,
Parents,
yeah.
keep applauding. So that was the message spread by our children of Tree House, of all the centers,
मैं जल गया
so that all of us they all have good sanskars.
सूरज को मैं
So audience,
निकल
with your
गया।
clapping, please make it real finale.
जो गुमशुदा सा ख्वाब था वो मिल
Yes,
गया
audience. Keep your hands in the air.
वो खिल गया वो लोहा था पिघल गया खिंचा खिंचा मचल गया सितार में
Come on, audience. Put your hands in
बदल
the air.
गया
Wow! That indeed calls for a celebration. Thank you, parents, for your cheer. I'm sure we all have had a good time. Lot of hard work, but I'm sure our children have proved it. So we need to hear the round of applause back for them. Louder!
So, audience, how was the performance? So, 3 cheers for little ones and staff members. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!